In order to get rid of snapping in Reaper, it's a very simple thing you can do. So go to Options, Snap, and Snap Grid Settings. So first of all, you can get rid of the grid. So we'll stop snapping according to the grid. And also, if you don't want your audio clips snapping together, you can disable snapping right here. So now if you have two audio clips, they will not snap together. And then if you want to re-enable snapping between the audio clips, just hold Alt and press S, and they will snap nicely together.